sum function. The sum function add values. In the example, I use the sum function to calculate the total mark of the student. Firstly, I use the simple solution. Click and scroll down. Now use the sum function. Equal. Click on the sum function. Select on the mark of our subject. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Actually, the shortcut key of the sum function is R plus equal. Select all table. Press R plus equal. You can use the shortcut key of auto sum. Select all table. Press R plus 8 plus U plus S.